How to customize Arch Linux with NIRI, a scrollable tiling window manager using Noctalia Shell. This is the best Arch and NIRI setup that you must try. In this video, I will show you step by step how to install NIRI, a Wayland compositor along with Noctalia Shell, and get everything customized the right way. First, make sure you have a fresh Arch Linux installation on your PC or laptop with either SDDM or GDM as your login manager. In my case, I already have Arch Linux with the GNOME desktop installed and it's running alongside Windows 11 on the same drive. This is the dual boot setup. I have already made a separate video on how to install Arch Linux and I will leave the link to that video in the description. Before installing the NIRI and Noctalia Shell, make sure you have at least 10 GB of free space available on your system. The first thing to do after installing Arch is to update your system. Open Terminal or Console and type this command to update your system. It's recommended to install a few essential dependencies using pacmin. Go ahead and run this command to install Git and other required packages. Next, we need to install our helper like Yay or Paru. I recommend using Paru because it works better. Now just clone this repository. Then navigate into this directory and type this command to compile the package and install it. Now once you are done, you can safely delete the Paru directory. Then install Timeshift, a backup tool that allows you to create snapshots of your system. This backup will be used if anything goes wrong after installing NIRI. Ensure you back up the entire root system and home directories. Then click Create to take a snapshot of the current state of Arch Linux. It's time to set up the NIRI window manager with Noctalia Shell. Now go ahead and run this command to install NIRI and all its dependencies using pacmin. Then go ahead and use Paru to install the Noctalia dependencies. And lastly, run this command to download and install the Noctalia Shell. And that's it, we are done setting up NIRI and Noctalia Shell. Now reboot your system to effect changes. Now once your system starts, you can launch NIRI from your login manager. If you're using the CLI, just type NIRI and press enter to start the session. Now in my case, I have the GNOME desktop, so GDM makes it very easy. Simply, I just click on my username, then tap the gear icon at the bottom and switch the session to NIRI. This session manager lets you switch between GNOME and NIRI very easily. After that, enter your password to login. Once you're logged in, you will see the NIRI shortcut screen. Now go ahead, take a moment to read these shortcuts. They show you how to open the terminal, view the workspace, take screenshots, and much more. You can always bring up the hotkeys by pressing Super plus Shift plus /. Now let's start configuring NIRI with the Noctalia Shell. Go ahead and press Super plus T to open Alacritty. The Super key is basically the Windows key on your keyboard. Since NIRI is a Scrollable Tiling Window Manager, you can use a 3-finger swipe gesture on your laptop's trackpad to move between different windows. Also, when you hover your mouse cursor over the top left corner, it opens the Workspaces overview, and you can press Super plus F to maximize any window. Now let's customize Alacritty by increasing the font size. First, run this command to create a folder named Alacritty inside your config directory. Then create a new file named alacritty.toml. Now let's increase the font size to 20 points. For the font style, I'm choosing normal, and for the font family, we are going with JetBrains Nerd font in the regular style. Once you're done, save the changes by pressing Ctrl plus O, then hit Enter. And then close terminal by pressing Super plus Q. Now go ahead and relaunch the terminal and you will see it looks much cleaner and better. Since we installed the Noctalia Shell on top of NIRI, we now get a powerful user interface that includes an app launcher, a top bar, settings, and much more. Now let's go ahead and test Noctalia Shell and make sure it's working properly by running this command. And boom, you can see the GUI and everything works perfectly. Now let's update the NIRI configuration so the Noctalia Shell starts automatically with NIRI. Now go ahead and type this command to edit the NIRI config file. Press Ctrl plus W and search for spawn startup. Now uncomment this line by removing the slashes at the beginning and then add the path to the Noctalia Shell. Once you are done, save the file. Log out of NIRI and log back in. And voila, now you will see the Noctalia Shell running alongside NIRI. Now let's tweak the NIRI configuration even more. Just go ahead and type this command and navigate to the input section. Now go ahead and turn on Focus Follows Mouse and remove the scroll statement. This makes the window focus shift automatically when you hover over it, which makes selecting applications much easier. If you are using a laptop or external monitor, you may notice the user interface is scaled to 100%. Let's remove all these lines which we don't need. And focus only the output section. Now open another terminal window and type this command to find the default output name of your monitors. In my case, I'm using a laptop with a built-in display and the output name is EDB-1. Now change the output name to match your display. My display supports 1080p resolution with a 144Hz refresh rate, so I have added that. The scale value is set to 1.25. You can set it anywhere between 0 to 2 based on your preference. Now leave the transform set to normal and keep the X and Y position values to 0. And that's it. Now save the changes. Now you will see the fractional scaling in action. Now let's add some custom app shortcuts. Now search for binds in the configuration file. Inside this section, you can create your own key bindings. For example, let's add a shortcut to open Firefox. Now simply type mod and the key you want to use for the action. Now in this case, when we press super plus B, it will launch Firefox. Then save the changes. Now if you press super plus B, Firefox will open. Likewise, you can create more custom app shortcuts. Now, by clicking your mouse on the top right corner of the screen, you can open the control center. The control center is divided into different sections. It includes a dedicated media player that allows you to control audio playback, lets you view live weather information, and provides quick shortcuts to access settings, power options, and much more. On the top bar, you will also find controls for brightness, sound, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and you can check your notifications from here. Now let's open settings. Now using the settings panel, you can customize the top bar, time, and weather to match your preferences. Noctalia also includes a built-in screen recorder, and you can further configure it from here. In the wallpaper section, you can choose any wallpaper from the default collection and set it as your background. Now clicking on the top left of the screen opens App Launcher, which displays all your installed applications and allows you to search for any app instantly. Now this is the quickest and easiest way to launch programs on your system. Now let's talk about Workspaces. NIRI supports a Workspaces overview. You can press Super plus O to see all the workspaces and open apps. On the top bar, you will see the Workspace Switcher. Using this, you can simply switch between workspaces. You can also use a keyboard shortcut by pressing Super plus any number from 0 to 9 to quickly switch between different workspaces. Now to switch between different applications, simply press Super plus Tab. Overall, Arch with the Noctalia Shell takes your desktop experience to a whole new level. The theme, the workflow, the animations, everything just feels next level. And that's it for this video on installing and customizing NIRI on Arch Linux. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or queries, do post them. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.